Oh my god. Apparently this happened in all like in 2 hours. So we're looking. And hard to tell in here. But we did see a floor drain over here. Alright, we'll see if we can get that floor drain to open up. And odds are we can't, so we'll start pumping.